Hello everyone, if you want to create a PDF in Adobe Acrobat, just follow the simple step. First open the Adobe Acrobat application on your computer. Once it opens, make sure to move the cursor towards the create option given at the top left corner. Once you place the cursor within the create option, it shows the detail options. From here, you can just simply tap create a PDF and it will redirect you to a new documentation page. Within it, you will be given select files button option. Simply tap on it. A file explorer window will appear. Then browse to the file you want to convert. Then select it and click open. After that, make sure to tap Convert to PDF button and the Adobe Acrobat will automatically convert that file into a PDF version. Once the conversion is complete, your new PDF will open on the screen, but that is only possible within the subscription account. As for me, I have not paid yet, so it is not converting. And if you have a subscribed account, your file will successfully convert and you can just click on the file again and save as well as make sure to select the location where you want to save the PDF while giving it name and click save. And that's how you can successfully create a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.